to learn about pivot stick figure animator. Can you tell me, children, what is pivot stick figure? Okay, pivot stick figure is a software that allows you to create stick figure animations easily. What is pivot? It's a software. You can create stick figures and animations easily in pivot stick figure, and you can create stick figures of your own. You can create your stick figures on your own. You can set the animation size and you can give the speed. You can set the animation. What do you mean by animation? Animation is nothing but the movement of the picture, and you can increase or decrease the size of the speed. The result, after giving all these options, the result can be saved as GIF file. Full form of GIF file means graphic interchange format. To start pivot animator. Now to start the pivot animator, we have to follow some steps. First, click the start button, click all apps or type pivot animator. Choose pivot animator. Pivot animator window will be displayed. Now children, you can see the window like this. Now I will show you how to open pivot stick figure animator. Now click on the start button. Now type pivot, P-I-V-O-T, pivot in the search box. When you type pivot, you can see pivot here. Select the pivot. Now you can see pivot window. This is the pivot stick figure. This is pivot stick figure animator. Now the window will be displayed in this way. Now we will learn the parts of the pivot stick figure animator. Parts of the pivot stick figure animator. Now we are going to learn the parts. Now here you can see this box, children. This box is known as frame control box. Now here this is known as timeline box. What is this box known as? Timeline box. Inside the timeline box, you can see the frame. This is known as selected frame. What is this? This is known as selected frame. Now here you can see play controls. Here in this play control, you can see options play, stop and loop. All these options will be available under player control. Now this is background. What is this background? Select the background. You can select the background. Add figure. Here you can see by using this you can select the figure type. By using add figure you can select the figure. Now here you can see here this box. This is known as figure control box. By using this box you can control the figure. By using this figure control box you can control the figure. You can change the size. You can add duplicate figure. You can increase, rotate. By using this figure control you can do all these options. Now here this is add frame button. By using add frame button you can add the frame. Now here this figure is known as stick figure. What is this figure known as? You can call it as stick figure or figure. Now here this orange dot is known as origin handle. What is this orange dot is known as? Origin handle. This red color dot is known as segment handles. What are these red color dots are known as? Segment handles. And here you can see hand. After moving the hand, you can see a small line over here. This is known as onion skin. What is this line known as? Onion skin. This is the you can see the image of that picture. After moving the hand you can see a small image over here. This is known as onion skin. And this dotted box is known as border frame area. What is this box known as? Dotted box is known as border frame area. Now we are going to learn about segments. A stick figure consists of segments. Children, what is segment? Segments are nothing but lines and circles of an image. Now here you can see a stick figure over here. Now we can see the lines over here and the circle. Lines and circles. Segments are nothing but lines and circle. These segments are connected by pivot joints. You can see by using these joints we have connected it. Okay children, segments are nothing but the lines and the circles. Now we are going to learn about handles. What are handles? A red handle will appear at the end of each segment. This helps us to rotate the segment. Now you can see here children, red handles. By using these red handles, you can rotate the figures, rotate the handle or head. You can move the legs. Now I'll show you. By using these red handles, you can rotate. See, I can move rotating the hand. Yes. Now I can rotate this hand also. By using these red handles, we can rotate. See. Red handle used to rotate. Now we will learn the size of pivot figure. Now you can change the size of the stick figure by clicking up and down arrow button of figure scale option. You can also enter the size by using the keyboard. Now I will show you children. Now if you want to increase or decrease the size, we can increase or decrease the size by using figure control option. Here you can see figure scale option. Here in figure scale, you can see figure scale option over here children. By using this figure scale, we can increase or decrease the size of the figure. Now here a number 100 is there. If you want to increase, you can see the up arrow and down arrow. The up arrow is to increase the size. Down arrow is used to decrease the size of the image. Figure scale option is used to increase or decrease the size of the stick figure. Now even if you want the number, you can type the number by erasing this number, and you can type the number by using keyboard. Now you can see children, I can increase or decrease the size of the image by figure scale option. By using figure scale option, what we can do? We can increase or decrease the size of the image. Now you can see by using down arrow, I am decreasing the size of the image. Now children, can you see two stick figures over here? One is in blue color and one is in red color. What do you mean by blue? The handles in blue, the figure dots of figure handles be in blue color. Okay, here before you select the figure, the dots of a figure handles will be in blue color. Now this figure has not been selected, it is in blue color. If you not select the figure, the stick figure will be in blue color. Now once you select the figure, you can see the figure handles and figure in the red color. Now children, you can see two stick figures over here. One is in blue dotted. This figure has not been selected. When you select the figure, you can see the figure will be highlighted in red color dots. Now you can see the figure, this figure has not been selected. If you not select the figure, it will be blue color dots. If you select the figure, you can see it in the red color dots. How to change the color of the stick figure pivot? How to change the color of the pivot figure? Now you can change the color of the figure by clicking the color option. By clicking the color option, you can see the color option here. Yes. Now color option will be in figure control box. This box is known as figure control box. In the figure control box, go to color option. Click the color option. The following window will be displayed. The color window will be displayed. You can select the color of your choice. Whichever color you want, you can select the color. And click OK button. The figure will be changed to that color. Now I will show you how to change the color. Here go to figure control box. By using this, we can change the color. Go to figure control box. In the figure control box, you can see figure color. Click on figure control color. Select the color. You can see the color box has been displayed over here. Whichever color you want, you can select the color. Now I want blue color, pink color. Select pink color. Click OK. Now you can see a stick figure has been changed to pink color. In this way, we can change the color of the stick figure. Segments. What do you mean by stretching? Increasing or decreasing? To stretch the segment, drag the segment handles holding down the control key on the keyboard. To bring back to the default length. Now if you want to bring back to the default length means as soon as you open the window you can see the stick figure. In whichever size it is, in the same way it will come back to the same size. That is known as default length. Drag the segment handle while holding down the control key on the keyboard. It will snap back to its default length when the cursor is closed. Now I will show you children how to stretch the segment. By stretching the segments, how to increase the size and decrease the size of the stick figure. Now here you can see the stick figure in pink color. Yes, now I will make it increase and decrease the size. Now first hold the control key. What we must hold? Control key on the keyboard, and you can stretch. Click on the red dot over here and drag it to stretch the image. Stick the figure. Now you can see children, I have stretched the pivot. Now I want to get it to the default position. Again put the mouse pointer on the red color dot, press control key and pull it down so that it will come back to the default position. In this way you can stretch the figure. You have completed the lesson.